Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. I am starting off today's weekly Bitcoin video on a weekly time frame. Usually we start off on a daily. I'm starting off on a weekly so that way we can see a few things. One, we are very close to this bottom EMA at around 17.6. I don't know why we would not test it to confirm support before going higher. Please be warned of that and lower. This has been tested once. This time, if we break it, I would not be surprised. Warning, warning, warning. 21 and 200 are crossing bearish. This is called the death cross. I don't know why this would not touch at this point. So just be warned on that. Even if this week we come back up, I don't think the weekly will go above 21,600. I think we are going to find resistance and roll on down. Going to the daily. We are under all the EMAs. I don't think we are going to get higher than 21,600. 21,500 to 600 will be major resistance to go higher for the head and shoulder setup. Okay, we already got the trap here, one leg. Here's the second leg. We still got one more leg to go, and that third leg is probably going to take us lower than this. So be careful about this. That's what we're looking for in Bitcoin. Your first resistance to the upside is 20,700. Second resistance is 21,700. So $1,000 increments. Don't use high leverage. Warning, don't use high leverage. Here's the 4-hour. We are just testing into the 21. So after we claim 4-hour open and closes above 20,300, we can look for the next level of resistance at around 21,000. But after that, I'm not. It's just to the point where we need a little bit more blood. As soon as markets open to the US, we can look to retrace, probably back to where we even broke down from, maybe as high as 21.5, as I've been saying, and then roll down. More than likely, we won't get as high as 21.5. We'll probably get to 21,000-ish and then go over. And we'll come back to that 21.5 area a little bit later. Once this turns into an inverse head and shoulder, you'll see the accumulation. So just be ready for this. During New York Stock Exchange Open, this might pop up into resistance and then roll over to stop out of all the shorts over the weekend. All right, so that's one thing. Here is the weekly now on Ethereum. And then don't forget, guys, we have about 2 more days for the free monthly to end. And then all the people who have paid will be in that new members section for us to be trading. All right, here it is. I will continue to do the daily free videos. It's just gonna be quicker so I don't have to bore you guys with technical analysis that you have no care or concern for. Here is Ethereum on a weekly. We did not do the death cross yet, but we've already done what the lowest EMA under the 200, showing bear warning, and now we're testing into the 21, rejected, and now we're testing into the 200, and I'm assuming this will be our level of resistance at around 15,075. Oh, $1,575 will be resistance to the upside, and then if we do claim that on a 4-hour open and close, we can look for around 1850 for the next level of resistance. More than likely, we're gonna make a head and shoulder here. This thing is gonna probably just roll on over. After New York opens, we pop up a little bit to like maybe 15, 16, and then just roll on down. Is what I'm assuming. Looking at pre-market, 1 second. Here's the daily. Yeah, pre-market is still pretty nasty. So we are now looking like we're gonna probably test, looking like we found support on the last order block on the daily, which was great. We wanted some support around 1400. We got it. Okay, looking left. If this level breaks, we're gonna probably test into this previous block between 1200 and 1000, where we consolidated for a good like 2 months. The point I'm trying to make is, if this level breaks, we're gonna go much lower. And if we can find support here and go sideways and up here, that'd be great. So if we find hourly open and close about 1600, maybe we can go at least to 17. But around 15 to 17, we're pretty much gonna see resistance to the upside before going lower. So just keep that in mind. It's not 5 to 100x long, but you can dollar cost average in at this level, knowing that possible for one more leg down to that $1,000 level. You can start taking a 3 to 5x long here if you want, with the stop right under this previous consolidation around. Say you enter right now blindly, you can have a stop loss under 1400, and then as long as 1400 doesn't break, you don't have to re-enter the position all the way down here at like 1000 or 1200. So that's an idea, but I'm not gonna be jumping into positions. I am gonna be watching a few things, and then the members on our trading team on Discord will kind of get my thoughts after the market opens. This is kind of all preliminary, what I think. Once the market opens and I can see the data and the money move, I can make better assessments. And I'll try to screenshot as much as I can and add it to the free side, so you guys have an understanding of how much more in depth we will be going on the members side for analysis. Yes, other than that, that is Bitcoin and Ethereum for you guys. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the section below. If you have any other asset you would like, please leave it in the section below. Yesterday, if you look at our Discord groups, I shared Rune, I shared Solano, I shared Matic, I shared I forgot there was one more altcoin, and obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana. So yeah, there's a lot of new coins we're dabbling in. So if you would like to add to the repertoire, please feel free. Oh, it was Ripple. We looked at Ripple as well. Feel free to let me know, and I will give you those charts. And I know we go to 4 hour, but on our member side, we go all the way into the 15-minute at least, and we can look at like, hey, this was a good area to long because it was making a flag. And then we can test up higher right here, which is literally the 200 EMA where I'm expecting the resistance. So we can take our long off here and hedge a short in case we do roll over, because this is a good area to take the liquidity out of everyone who shorted over the weekend, which just happened, and then we can roll back down. If we want to hurt these people here as well, we can pop up one more level to 1550 and then roll on over. So this is what New York Open is going to be I'm watching for. I'm watching to see the rollover or one more level up. So I know the dead cat bounce is coming, but is it going to come all the way from 1580, or is it going to come from like 1550 or 1480? So we got like $100 range that we're watching carefully. All right, guys. Well, that's it. Have a great day. Be safe. Trade carefully. Use low leverage. And yeah, if you need me, I'm here at all times. I will be actually, this whole week, I am taking off of work, and I might not go back to work. So I want to see how this week goes. For the first few days, membership will be free. But then when I activate membership, we will be going a little bit more serious as to our trading for a living situation. So yeah, it's going to be a very interesting next week or two. I hope you guys are here for the fun. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button for notification. It helps me more than anything, so I can continue doing these videos and not get broke. And then members, I undying love for you guys. Thank you so much for putting your trust in me enough to send an anonymous dude money online and learn from them. So I greatly, greatly appreciate you guys. I promise you that we will be delivering mad value very, very soon. Aside from that, guys, I hope you have a great day. Be safe. Talk to you soon.